Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. So, got something on my truck here, and a lot of you guys asked this question, so it's actually probably really good to go over. So, if we're kind of looking here, if we look down, we'll see the maintenance required light there, and if I go down here, it'll say oil maintenance required soon, right? So the question is why is there a maintenance light and an oil maintenance light? Why is there two? Why is it not just maintenance? So, and it's actually a pretty easy answer. So Toyota recommends maintenance every 5,000 miles on pretty much everything out there, but they don't recommend oil changes every 5,000 miles. They actually recommend the oil changes every 10,000 miles. So that's why there is, at least on the Tundra, a different indication for oil maintenance and regular maintenance. Now, obviously, if you have it every 5,000, then your regular maintenance and your oil maintenance will coincide every 10, of course. And what's the difference, right? So obviously, the main things you do on a regular maintenance: rotate the tires, check everything out, make sure that filters are good, stuff like that. And then there's different things that you might have to do as a part of like the 15,000 mile or something like that, where it'll tell you to check things. But you do have a maintenance guide that's in your packet of books, hopefully, especially if you bought the car new, you'll have that. But it'll go over that, and it also shows you what maintenance is recommended when by Toyota. So that's important to know too. So, and keep in mind, unless you're in the Southeast region, you're going to have your first 2 years or 25,000 miles worth of recommended maintenance included. So now that's the Toyota part of it. Now I'm going to add my little 2 cents to this. So my truck, obviously, I'm just about to cross 40,000 miles here, and I can tell you that I have changed the oil in it every 5,000 miles with synthetic oil. According to Toyota, that is overkill. But according to me, it's an itch I want to scratch, as I like to put it. So I just personally, I think 5,000 is a good number, and I like to change my oil every 5,000. So even when the services were free, every other one, I bought the oil change to add to the service, just to make sure that it was where I wanted it to be. So, but yeah, so there's not a break-in oil to a new car. So they don't tell you to change your oil at 500 miles or something like that. There's sometimes you'll get those things, but there's not one of those. But if obviously if you wanted to, there's nothing that says you can't. It's just one of those things. But got my alarm going off here, a little phone call, whatever. But Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota. You guys have a great day. We're gonna talk to you soon. Bye.